Yan, kakain po tayo at meron tayong ginisang gulay. Ay, meron tayong pipino. Ay, wala namang laman yung prito. Ay, maloo, yan na lang natira. Ay, siya mga pangga, samahan nyo ako. Ako ay kakain ng tanghalian. Ayan, yan lang po ulam ko ngayon. Kain po. Yun na lang natin pipino. Stop. Anas ko kung mag-pipino.
Fans were quick to react, flooding social media with memes and mockery. Ashton Hall trains 6 times a day and treats his body like a temple just to lose 4 times the ice show speed who eats like a fit and doesn't train. Growing in his face of water before the race. The aftermath was more brutal. Hall, who had built his brand around peak physical performance,
ang ginawa ni kumpare dito. Hindi na niya in-slice.
Ashton Hall also lost a $5 million sponsorship deal within 30 seconds of the last race. A few days later, on June 14th, 2025, Hall posts his next morning routine video where he smashes the TV, eats steak alone, and whispers to himself about coming back stronger.
Taba, Earth. Magkamay tayo.
Keep going. He did all of his real. Ashton Hall was hated for his inability to take an L.
Daniel
Lavelle was loved for knowing how to take one. On March 11th,
Hindi kita narinig nag-host.
professional sprinter Daniel Lavelle dropped a video calling out speed.
Video.
This video is my official invitation to race.
Stop, may.
Speed, I need you. Guys, Speed has to see this video though. So tag his name in the comments. Let's make this race happen. 5 days later, Speed saw the video and immediately started trash talking Daniel, calling him slow and saying the race was already over. This video is an official invitation to race. Speed, I need you. Guys, Speed has to see this video though. So tag his name in the comments. Let's make this race happen.
Pag si kumpare magluto, pag yung kalabasa ay hindi pa siya masyadong matanda, ano pa siya, bata pa, kasali lagi niya yung balat, hindi niya tinatanggal. O, ganun si kumpare magluto. Pero, pag matanda yung kalabasa, binabalatan yan. Pag okra naman, hindi niya ini-slice, isahan. Isang pulot daw. Ganun si kumpare magluto mga pangka. Dahil hindi tayo kumakain ng taba, tabi lang yan. Kakauwi ko lang kasi. Ay, pagdating ko dito ay ako ay nagugutom. Kasi hindi ako kumakain kanina. May ano kasi kami, may meeting. May meeting sa school.
Marami daw kung tinatapon din na tayo. Nakakasilabot yan. Meron talagang diyan natin. Ito raw ang dahilan para ang Megadite, maging pugad din ng mga pamamalakad.
Dati, hindi ako kumakain ng mga gulay, sa mga talong, sitaw. Ano lang kinakain ko dati, kalabasa. Okra, hindi ako kumakain dati ng okra. Sapsoy, hindi. Ngayon lang ako kumakain ng gulay na nagkaroon ako ng anak. Kasi sabi nila, pag nagpa-breastfeeding ka, kain ka ng mga gulay kasi yung sustansya doon para pagdidi ng baby, masustansya yung gatas nila nang galing sa nanay. Diba? Kaya ako ngayon ay nasasanay na. Pero hindi po lahat ng gulay kinakain ko. Kahit may pipino. Masarap ng papak ko.
Pero ano nga ba ang nakuna ni Edward?
Nanood sila ng Jessica Soho. Si Kuya Pidi mahilig sa Jessica Soho. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang po yung video ko mga pangga. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood sa aking video. Ayan, God bless to all. Bye-bye po.